Hey everyone, Sebastian here, back again with more SAT math, this time EVA-E-A. I've done a video on all evaluating statistical claims, observational studies, and experiments before, and I'm doing an in-depth dive on this specific question, the easy level category A, which is just seeing if a survey has a biased sample. So even though it's easy, I think it's a weird question, especially for math, so it's great to cover. So if you have questions on it, it's good to do these two, and then I'll leave you with a third one to do on your own, and you can see the whole summary video to see the answer for that one. A manager at a grocery store, open from 5 a.m. to midnight, wanted to assess the opinions of shoppers at the store on coffee brand options. He surveyed 80 shoppers between the hours of 5 and 7 a.m. The survey revealed that the majority of those surveyed were happy with the number of options. Which of the following is true about the manager's survey? A, it shows that most shoppers are happy with the number of coffee options. B, the survey should have included more early morning shoppers. C, the survey needs to focus only on afternoon shoppers. And D, the survey is biased because it's not representative of all shoppers. So surveying 80 shoppers between 5 and 7 a.m., even if the 80 shoppers are chosen randomly at that time, we're choosing a time specific, so we're not focused on the whole broad range of shoppers. So it would be D, the survey is biased because it is not representative of all shoppers. If you wanted to be representative of all shoppers, you would do a random selection at all hours of the day, and you'd probably want to do it from different days of the week. Maybe early morning shoppers like coffee more, like coffee less, and maybe afternoon shoppers get their coffee from somewhere else in their mornings. So think about what you're surveying and what you want to know about, and from there you can answer the question. And with these, always make sure to look at all answer choices and compare them to each other. All right, so we'll try one more together and then I'll leave you with the third one. So another one of this type, a manager at an ice cream shop runs a survey on ice cream flavors. She surveyed 200 children randomly chosen throughout the year. Most of the people surveyed chose chocolate as their favorite flavor. Which of the following is true about the manager's survey? It shows that most patrons prefer chocolate. The survey should have only asked adults since they're the ones paying. C, the survey is biased because it only asked children. And D, the survey is biased because it asked children throughout the year. The answer should be, take a minute, think about it. All right, you have your answer? Right, it is C. It is biased because it only asked children. Not because it only asked them throughout the year. That's not the issue. It's that it's only focusing on a certain age of people. And from what we can tell, right, it's not only children who shop here. It's children and adults. So maybe children like chocolate, adults like maybe more variety or weirder flavors, or they like vanilla. So you want to survey everyone to really understand all the patrons. So again, the answer is C. And again, you're seeing that you're testing if you understand how to run a good sample. All right, so I'm going to leave you with this last one. Try it on your own, and then you could watch the review video to understand it. It's the core video. And we'll cover this and all types of questions that are in the Evaluating Statistical Claims, and I have that in the description. Members of a student council wanted to understand the opinions of all students about building a new football stadium. The council surveyed 70 football players and cheerleaders. The survey revealed that the majority of those surveyed were in favor of a new stadium. Which of the following is true about the student council's survey? A, it shows that most students are in favor of the new stadium. B, the survey should have included more football players. C, the survey is biased because it's not representative of all students at the school. D, the survey should have consisted solely of the opinions of students who are not football players. So try this out, put your answer in the comments, and I will talk to you all soon. I hope it's sunny where you are. It's pretty rainy where I am, but as you know, I'm a fan of the rain too because it can clean my window and water my gardens. Bye.